Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today I'm going to explain you the how to compare and order fractions. Watch till the end if you want to score maximum points in your exams. So, example 1 is 3/4 and 5/8. Compare it. It's very simple. If we want to compare like this, we have to equal the denominators. So multiply 2, multiply 2. So this will be 6. So this will be 6, 8, and 5, 8. Now we can check if this fraction's numerator is bigger. This is the bigger. So this will be 6, 8, 5, 8. And if we talk about the original one, it is 3/4, 5, 8. See, sometimes fractions trick us because the numerator is small and this is obviously in our eyesight it's big. This is bigger. But actually this is bigger. That's how fractions trick us. And this is why people underestimate them and then they get few points in exam. Simple. Let's go and do order fractions now. Now let's solve order fractions. How to write them in ascending order and how to write them in descending order. So our second example will be 2/3, 1/2, 4/5. So we will take the LCM of these three numbers and we will take the LCM using the division method. And if you want, you can see my previous video. I showed how to take out the LCM using the division method. So this will be 3, 2, 5. So 3 here. So 2 here, 3, 1, 5. Now 3 here, 1, 1, 5. Now 5 here, 1, 1, 1. Now just multiply these numbers. 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 multiply 5, which is 30. So this LCM is 30. To make this 30 and this 30, we will do this. Multiply 10 here because 3 multiply 10 is 30. And if we are multiplying in the denominator, we have to multiply it in the numerator also. Multiply. And in this, 15 and also 15. And in this, 6 here and up 6. Now it will be 20, 30, 15, 30, and 24, 30. Now we will write this in the ascending order. So this will be, and we can know how which one is bigger by seeing the numerator. So this numerator is very small. So this will be right here, 15, 30. Then it will be 20, 30 because it's second bigger. And then 24, 30 because it's the biggest. Now, if we talk about the original ones, it will be 1/2. Then 1/2 is the smallest. Then it will be 2/3. Then it will be 4/5. It's simple. So now let's take a another example. So the second example is 5 sixths, 3 fourths, and 7 eighths. So now we will take the LCM of these three numbers which I did in the previous example. 4, 8. Tick, tick. Now, to make this 2 here, which will be 3 here now, 2, 4. Again 2, 3, 1, 2. Again 2, 3, 1, 1. Now 3, which will be 1, 1, 1. Now just multiply these. 2 multiply, which is 2 is 4. 4 multiply 2 is 8, and 8 multiply 3 is 24. So their LCM is 24. So to make this 24, multiply 3, multiply 6, multiply 6, and multiply 4, multiply 4. Now let's multiply 20, 24. Now this will be 18, 24. Now this will be 21, 21, 24. Simple. Now let's put them in descending order, biggest to smallest. Write this here, 24, 21, 24th. Now 20, 24th. And now 18, 24th. Because 20, we can check which is bigger using the numerator. So this numerator is the biggest, so this will be first. This is the second biggest here, and this is the smallest, so here. Simple! So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you! Bye bye! See you next time!